Hi, my name is Polly, and in this video, I'll like to talk about a few issues with the artwork that you provided. There's a few problems. Okay, so for decal printing, we use spot color printing, and which means spot color means for every single color, we have to create a single plate for each color. So for example, this heart video artwork, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. Then 8 color plates are to be created, and then each color are layered onto the paper one by one. Okay, so for spot color printing, any transparency effects, any blending mode effects, any gradient effects are not allowed and should be removed. Okay, let's see in this artwork. Okay, so for example, this purple color Pantone 521C. Another problem is that with this batch of the artworks we receive, there's a problem. The color code is not consistent between in the swatches and labeled outside in the artwork here. So we assume the designer wants to print Pantone 521C instead, okay, instead of 0631C. Okay, so this purple color applies to the same color switches, same as this one. Okay, but you can tell the difference. This heart is lighter, but this one is a more vivid color. The reason is because the designer has applied blending mode onto the hearts and special color effects. Okay, if you can see, first screen blending effect the designer applied to all the group of hearts, and then if we dig into it, a second layer here, a shadow of multiply blending mode is applied to this heart and makes this heart looks lighter, a lighter purple. But we want to tell you here is that the final color that you will see on the decal and will be printed on the decal will be Pantone 521C, and maybe it's not what you see on the screen. It will be the color you see on your color book. That's the Pantone 521C in your color book. Okay, so if the designer wants a lighter gray, lighter purple color, lighter than a 521C, then he or she have to choose another color code and then list it underneath here, underneath the artwork here. Okay, and you can see this purple. Say this purple is 521C, and this is 521C as well, but there's a difference. Okay, so the designer have to remove any blending mode, any transparency effects, and if after he or she removed it, then these two will be the same color, same lightness. Okay, if he or she wants to a lighter purple, then she have to choose another color code and list it in the artwork. Okay, same problem here and the dotty. Okay, Turkish blue. You can see here. Hold on. Okay, here. A Pantone Violet C. Anyway, it's not a violet. It's a 320C. The designer wanted to print. Okay, this applies to the same color code, and the flower here is applied to the same color code. But you see a difference is because multiply blending mode has applied to this flower and makes the flower looks darker and the sign looks lighter. But is what I told you earlier. The final color we will print and you will see on the decal will be Pantone 320C. Okay. Another problem is here. You see, if I remove, okay. There's a gray background here in the artwork, and this gray background is not going to be printed, and it's the gray black background making the color looking dark and color looking light. Okay, so the designer have to remove any transparency, any blending mode effects. Okay, and our decal suppliers, they want a clean and a simple and a consistent artwork that makes the decal printing process run smoothly. Okay, so please make sure the designer follow the submission guidelines and make sure all these effects are removed. Okay, thank you.